This time I am making what I call cereal mix-it-up, which is pretty self-explanatory. You put cereal in a bowl and you mix it up. Now, I know there's a really popular recipe using this kind of cereal that everybody seems to like. I like it too. However, I wanted to make my own because it's just not spicy enough. And for me, if it melts a spoon, it's almost spicy enough. Anyway, let's get to the recipe. In a large bowl, I put 8 cups cereal of the waffle kind. That's this kind right here. I don't know really what you call that in the technical terms, but that's my technical term. I also put 1 cup dry roasted peanuts. However, you can leave those out. Now, the reason I only use that much cereal is because my pan can only hold that much. Also, it seems to be an adequate amount to serve everyone. Christmas Eve or whenever you want to have it. It does well traveling in a car too. If you got people in the car, you just hand them a little baggie of the mix and they're happy for a while. Keep them quiet. They won't be asking you when you get there. Okay, now the seasoning. In the cup here, I have what I call the sauce. It is a 1/2 cup melted butter, 4 tables Worcestershire or Worcestershire, whatever you say that sauce. 1 teaspoon salt, which is optional. If you want less salt, leave it out. If you want more, you can always add more. I find it's definitely plenty salty with that much. 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, that's another one you can say as you want. 1/4 teaspoon or more cayenne pepper. Me, I like the or more. Most people like the 1/4 or less. You can leave it out. However, it's just not cereal mix without a little spice. So, oops. You never know when he's like, ew, don't that look awful? Well, you know, some of the best food does look awful. But anyway, the butter has started to cool while I was setting up my camera, so that's why it looks almost like a fudge sauce. I guarantee you it is not fudge sauce. And there we go. Now you just stir it around. You want to try to coat every piece if you can. It's not possible to actually do that, but you can get pretty close. I always have food to try to escape. Is it trying to tell me something? Move that. That's not attractive. What do you think? That looks pretty good. Maybe a few more turns. If the butter was still as hard as it was a moment ago, it would have mixed in a little better. But as I've mentioned before, this is something new for me and I'm not very good at it yet. Alright, now's my prepared pan. If you want to know why there's foil and parchment, my pan stinks forever of garlic after this. I don't like it. Not when I'm going to bake cookies later. It's hard to explain to people why the sugar cookies taste like garlic. For me, as much as I love garlic, it wouldn't bother me, but that's me. Okay, what do we do with it now? We bake it 1 hour or 45 minutes. My oven tends to run hot, so 45 minutes it often is done. But you want to stir it every 12 to 15 minutes so it evenly toasts. My oven's at 225. I wouldn't recommend putting it any higher because it can burn the cereal. If you can't get your oven any lower, you'll just have to stir it more often and keep a closer eye on it. Anyway, I'll see you in a few minutes when this is already done. And there we have it. It's crunchy, it's spicy, and you can adjust the spice by adding more cayenne. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and thank you for stopping by my kitchen.